Hello friends, welcome to ASAP German Language Institute. My name is Anand and this is the 14th video of our complete series of Goethe A2 exam preparation. In earlier videos, we have completed almost everything. Now in this video, we are going to talk about Sprechen Teil 2. So let's see how is Sprechen Teil 2 and keep your answers ready so that you can write them in the comment box. So guys, now this is our Goethe certificate A2 Sprechen module Teil 2. So Teil 2 we are learning here. Okay, we are going to see how is it, and let's see. Sie bekommen eine Karte. Sie bekommen eine Karte und erzählen etwas über ihr Leben. And you tell something about your life. Okay, so now let's see how it is. I guess I need to zoom out a little bit to see the whole poster. Okay, so this is for candidate A, as you can see here, and the activity, the poster looks somewhat like this. You can see the theme given in the middle. I will take something to draw. Okay, you see here theme in the middle. Was machen Sie mit Ihrem Geld? What do you do with your money? And then there's 4 points given: Kleidung, Lebensmittel, Mieter. Kleidung is clothes, Lebensmittel, groceries. Mieter is rent if you have rented property. Then Reisen, travel, and Sparen, saving money. Okay, which like I'm very bad at saving money. So now here, let's start. What you have to do here. First thing, you have to talk about yourself. Okay, your own about your own life. So the first word is Kleidung. Now you can make questions with Kleidung using this thing. So Geld, you spend money. So you need to know the word here, spend. That is ausgeben. Okay, ausgeben is to spend. So ich gebe viel Geld für Kleidungen aus. Ich kaufe viel ein. Ich kaufe manchmal am Wochenende ein oder zwei T-Shirt, aber dafür gebe ich viel Geld aus. But for that, I spend a lot of money. So I hope you understood what I said. I said I buy clothes a lot. I spend money on clothes, and I buy clothes on weekend. A couple of like t-shirt, jeans, and yeah, for that I spend money. So 2 to 3 sentences. Then next is Lebensmittel, groceries, meter. So ich kaufe pro Monat Lebensmittel und ich gebe 10,000 Rupien aus. So if you're talking about rupees, then you will say like this: I spend 10,000 rupees for that. You can even talk about specific amount, or you can simply say ich kaufe auch Lebensmittel jeden Monat und ich gebe das Geld aus für Lebensmittel. Und Miete bezahle ich nicht. I don't pay rent. Ich wohne mit meinen Eltern. I live with my parents. Or you can say, ich bezahle 10,000 Rupien pro Monat für Miete. Okay, als Miete, as a rent. So here, bezahlen is to pay, or ausgeben to spend. These two verbs you will be using mostly. Ich reise nicht so oft. See, you don't have to say every time, yes, I do this, yes, I do this. If you don't do that, talk about that. So I mean to say, like, I don't travel very often, aber zwei oder drei Mal pro Jahr. Ja, ich reise und dafür bezahle ich. Okay, so now here I will say, ich reise nicht viel. Ich reise zwei oder drei Mal pro Jahr und ich bezahle für die Reise. I spend for money, or I pay for the travel. Sorry, I spend for, or I pay for the travel. Now next is sparen. Sparen, save. So personally, if I talk about myself, I will say, ich spare kein Geld, ich kann das wirklich nicht machen. I cannot pay, I don't save money. I really cannot do that. Or you can say, ich spare jeden Monat 5,000 Rupien weil ich ein neues Handy kaufen möchte, because I want to buy a new mobile. So you're saving, but you're saving to spend. Okay, of course. So this is how 2 to 3 sentences on every word you have to speak. Okay, I hope you got the idea. And then at the end you can say, das ist alles, danke. That's all, thank you. So once you are complete, you should clearly say that, das ist alles, danke. Und dann zweite Person. The second candidate will get, your partner will get another one. Here you don't have to communicate with each other. You have to just do your part. That's it. So for example, here second, this thing is card is there. Was machen Sie oft am Wochenende? What do you do often on weekend? Now, Sport. Jemanden besuchen, visiting someone. Wo, where you go. Okay, or where you do what, where do you spend your weekend? Spend is verbringen. See, when it is spending money, it is ausgeben. When it is spending time, it is verbringen. Okay, the next is mit wem. Mit wem, with whom. So you have to make two sentences at least on every word. Okay, let's see the words here now. First word is sport. So theme is was machen Sie oft am Wochenende, and first word is sport. So ich spiele Sport. That is literal translation from English. In German you say ich mache viel Sport. Ich mache viel Sport. Mein Lieblingssport ist Fußball. Ich spiele Fußball am Wochenende mit meinen Freunden. Okay, that's it. I love football. I love sport a lot. My favorite sport is football, and I play football with my friends. Okay, jemanden besuchen. Wenn ich nicht Sport mache, dann treffe ich mit meinen Freunden und ich unterhalte mit meinen Freunden. I gossip, I hang out with my friends. Wir sehen Filme oder manchmal gehen wir ins Restaurant. Then next, wo, where. So am Wochenende, ich verbringe mein Wochenende bei meinem Freund, so at my friend's place, oder zu Hause, at my home. Ja, wir grillen im Garten oder wir spielen. So we grill in the garden or we play. So that is about wo, where you spend. Mit wem? Meistens verbringe ich mein Wochenende mit meiner Family, aber nicht ganzen Tag, but not whole day. Ich verbringe Samstag mit meiner Family und am Sonntag verbringe ich Zeit, means I spend time mit meinen Freunden, with my friends. So this is what we can say here. So of course, how do you start this? You will start like this. Hallo, guten Morgen or guten Tag. Ich heiße Anand und mein Thema ist, was machen Sie oft am Wochenende? Or you can change that theme to, was mache ich oft am Wochenende? Okay, so that's it. I hope you understood what to do here. A2 grammar. How much A2 grammar you need to use? At least 1 to 2 grammar topics, at least. And maximum one grammar topic in for one word, right? So, but there is no condition as such that you have to use A2 grammar. You should be able to just talk about yourself using these 4 words. That's the purpose, right? So grammatically you should be correct and you should be able to express properly. So that's it. And this was our tile SOI. Now you have to send your answers in a comment box. So here, was machen Sie mit Ihrer Family? What do you do with your family? Fernsehen, Essen, Feste, festivals and all, celebrations, and spazieren gehen, go, like you go for a walk. So now these 4 words are there. I would request you to send me at least these 10 sentences in the comment box. You should start with Hallo, ich heiße, tell your name. Und mein Thema is, was mache ich mit meiner Family? I hope you understood what I changed here. Or else you can use the same question as it is. Was machen Sie mit Ihrer Family? Mein Thema ist, was machen Sie mit Ihrer Family? And then start. Fernsehen. Right there, that word Fernsehen, and then your 2 sentences. Don't, while speaking, you don't have to say Fernsehen. No, don't say that word. Directly start the sentence. Okay, speaking that sentence. So examiner will understand that you are talking about Fenzen. But here in the comment box, just to understand, you're speaking about Fenzen. So write the Fenzen word and then two sentences. Essen, two sentences. Fester, two sentences. And spazieren gehen, two sentences. Write your answer and also read others answer, comment each other. That comment box is our kind of classroom, live classroom, 24 by 7, and you guys can help each other, talk to each other, and even ask your questions, whatever doubts you have. I hope you like this video, you understood what is Teil 2, Sprechen Teil 2, and I'm waiting for your answers in the comment box. And don't forget to watch our next video, that is Teil 3. That is very important because there you need to speak with each other, and that is the dialogue. Let's see how is it. That is Teil 3. And this is another slide for you, or card. So when you understood, same thing you have to do here also. So you will answer actually these two questions in the comment box. So second one is, was machen Sie, wenn Sie am Abend ausgehen? What do you do when you go out in the evening? Okay, so you go in the club or disco, you go for eating outside, essen, then concert or theater. Two sentences, and not necessarily you have to say yes I do this, yes I do that. We know in India we don't have this concert culture much, so you can clearly say I don't go for concert, but yes I go for long drive. Ich fahre lange und höre Musik im Auto. You can say anything. Okay, so again 10 sentences. You will start like this. Guten Tag, ich heiße Anand und mein Thema ist, was machen Sie, wenn Sie am Abend ausgehen? And then start. Okay, so send this 10 sentences in comment box then. So guys, that was your Sprechen module 2 of Goethe A2 exam. I hope you understood everything very well. And the comment box is waiting for your answers, and we'll discuss your answers over there. You can read other students' comments as well. You will learn a lot from that. See you now in our next video. That will be Sprechen Teil 3.